Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kumkum Habiba. So today is International Yoga Day. So I'm here to discuss with you some of the basic details about yoga. So let's start this discussion. So what is the basic difference between yoga and exercise? While in exercise, we lose the energy, yoga, as from the name suggests, it's a yo, meaning addition. Addition of what? Addition of energy. In yoga, we consume the energy. It's an anabolic process. So why 21st June is celebrated as Yoga Day? There's a significance of this day. 21st June is the day of summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. So ultimately, celebrating 21st June as a International Yoga Day is a reflection that when you inculcate this habit of doing yoga every day, so it ultimately enhances your lifespan. So this resolution was proposed by India in 2014, which was endorsed by 175 members of the United Nations in 2015, and since 2015, 21st June is celebrated as International Yoga Day. All the countries have recognized the significance of yoga as a potent factor for leading a healthy life. And this is more concerning, particularly in the current scenario where the world is burdened with the financial toxicity of healthcare system. Yoga is the cheapest medicine for any disease. But this medicine you should take before getting any disease. Meaning you have to inculcate this habit in your daily life, because yoga is a way of life that you have to learn. India is envisaging to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. But do you think that this idea can be achieved without a healthy population? Because a healthy population is significant for the development of any country. So give 30 to 35 minutes for your health. Spread this awareness also around yourself. Some persons claim that there are people who are very healthy, who are following good diet, who are doing exercise, but they also met with an sudden, cardiac arrest or sudden illness or with a big disease. Now let's understand with the help of example. Suppose a person is riding a bike with an average speed and he was hit by a fast running car and unfortunately he dies. So what lessons should you take? You should take the lesson that you should also drive a scooty or bike at a fast speed, because ultimately the person who was riding at an average speed, he met with an accident. That was an exception. You do not have to follow exception. Let's depend upon the God. What you can do, you can do your best. What is the good thing? You have to opt that. Spread this also around yourself. Be a good citizen of the nation. That's it. I have to discuss this thing only with you. So I also want you to, if you want me to discuss some of the other areas, like I am thinking to discuss with you some of the current geopolitical world in the international arena that is happening, which is very interesting also. So if you want me to discuss these areas, please write in the comment section and stay connected till the end. I am sharing some of the videos and photographs of today's college event. That's it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.